Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to check USB history in Windows 11. To start, right-click on the Start menu and open Device Manager. Here, you're going to go to the Universal Serial Bus Controllers section. You will double-click on the device to review. In this window, you will go to the Details tab. Using the options in the drop-down field, you will be able to access complete details of the USB device. You can close this window. Now right-click on Start and click on Event Viewer. In the viewer, you are going to select the Windows Logs option and then click on System. After this, click on Filter Current Log. In the field Event Origins, you are going to enter the word USB Store. Click OK. Now you will be able to see the history of that USB device if you have one. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.